Welcome back to the channel CR New Model, where luxury meets horsepower. And today, we're diving into a rolling piece of art, the 2026 Bentley Flying Spur. This isn't just a car. It's a statement. A symbol. And for 2026, Bentley's flagship sedan has gone even more bold, beautiful, and ridiculously refined. Let's talk presence. The 2026 Flying Spur keeps that signature Bentley DNA: long, low, and powerful, but this year, it's more sculpted than ever. The front grille? Still massive, still unmistakably Bentley, but now with sharper lines and a more aerodynamic profile. Those crystal-cut LED headlights shimmer like diamonds, and around the back, the updated taillights are sleek, elegant, and feature a new B-light signature that's pure class. Even parked, it looks like it's doing 100. Inside? Well, it's Bentley. Which means nothing short of rolling royalty. Every surface is touchable luxury hand-stitched leather, polished wood, knurled metal, and even customizable crystal finishes. You've got the famous rotating display that switches between a touchscreen, classic analog dials, and a minimalist wood panel. The seats? Heated, cooled, massaging, and adjustable in ways that feel medically advanced. And the rear is pure first class. Reclining seats, dual tablets, wireless charging, champagne cooler. You don't ride in the back of a Flying Spur. You float. Now let's get to the part where this luxury limo turns into a beast. Under the hood, you've got options starting with a silky twin-turbo V8, or if you crave ultimate power, the W12 returns for one final encore, delivering over 635 horsepower. The 0 to 60? As low as 3.7 seconds. The ride? Magic carpet smooth thanks to air suspension and Bentley Dynamic Ride Active anti-roll tech that keeps you level through corners like a luxury sports car. The 2026 Bentley Flying Spur isn't about compromise, it's about having it all. Power, prestige, technology, and timeless design wrapped in British craftsmanship that's second to none. You choose this over a Rolls or a Maybach. Let's hear it. If you're ready to turn every drive into an occasion, this might just be the ultimate luxury sedan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss what's next in the world of luxury and performance.